All right, guys, we've got to talk. We've got to talk. Today's Friday, and I am going to assign you a couple of new things, but I'm going to hold back on the whole gamut of things that I was going to assign to you for Friday because I feel like many of you need to get caught up. All right, so first, let me go over what it is I want you to do for today, and it's due today. You're going to get it done today and turn it in. All right, so let's do that first, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about some other things. All right, so first thing you're going to do today is you're gonna get into your DLR. So you'll come down to DLR. You are going to do your day 3. That's the video. So do day 3 of your DLR first. So grab your day 3 out right here. Get that done. Okay, and it's in your black folder, so you have that. Then you're going to jump over to spelling. Okay, in spelling you're going to do this. You're going to click on this, right? You click on your assignment up here. This will be in your top right corner. 6 of you turned it in. You should not have. So, Isabella, Noah, Kira, Jack, Reese, Nicholas. I appreciate I appreciate that you guys turned it in, but don't. You got to unsubmit it. And here's why you have to unsubmit it. It's not going to let you um, take another photo of your work. So for spelling, you have, all of you now, and I'll put my face up here. For spelling, you have take a look, you have your Monday sort was going to go here. Look at my cursor over there. Monday sort here. And then um, on Tuesday and then Wednesday, you got another day to do your Monday sort. Now, yesterday, Wednesday, you were going to do this, right? You choose one of these to do, take a photo of it, and post it here. Tonight, you're going to do Thursday, take a photo of it, and I did a little sample, and you'll post it here. That's me posting, pretending, right? Get that out of there. All right. So for spelling, you should have 3 things: your Monday sort and 2 different spellers' choices, right? All right. So that's what we're doing for spelling. Okay. So those folks who turned it in, Isabella, and Noah, Kira, Jack Fee, Reese Jones, Nick Mahomey. I'm glad you turned it in, but I don't think you guys aren't done. You got to wait till Friday to turn in these Google slides all at once. Okay. So no big deal. Just unsubmit it, and it'll allow you to work in there. Remember in the top right corner over here, where you find that assignment, you just click unsubmit, and you'll be able to work in there again. All right. So moving right along, after your spelling's done, let me get back over here. You are going to do language. So language fundamentals, and you're going to do sentences 7, right? So I have that lesson down here. Look, I have the lesson. So watch my lesson, right? And then you're going to do sentences 7. And again, it's over here in language fundamentals. Hoping that no one turned this in, but I think some people did. So 3 people turned it in. So these 3 people right here, you got to unsubmit it so you can do it. So Joe Coder, Noah Dubik, and Jack Fee, you guys have to unsubmit. You're not done. You can't be done. Unsubmit it so you can get today's work done. And you should have 3 things, and I'm going to show you right here. So language fundamentals, right here, you should have these 3 things. So let's go up here. So you have your name right here, right? Obviously. Then we did on Tuesday, you did sentences 5 and you posted it here. Yesterday, you did sentences 6, right? And you posted it here. And today, you're going to do sentences 7 and you're going to post it here. So you'll have 3 things all together in this right here. You're going to have 3 things all together in this. And you're then on today, Friday, you'll turn that in and you're going to get 30 points. 30 points for the DLR, 30 points for language fundamentals, and you're going to get 30 points for spelling. Okay? So get that turned in. This is easy stuff too. It's not like this is not hard stuff. I'm not asking you to do a bunch. All right. So over here, so the next thing after, so we did DLR, spelling and language. So now you're going to jump down to reading over here, right? Reading will be the next thing. So, and what you're going to do today in reading is this. You're going to do a Flipgrid. So it says share your book. So right. So you're gonna read a chapter of your book of your literature circle. So get your Kindle out. You're gonna get your Kindle out, open it up, read a chapter. Okay. Right. And I gave you all new books, so you can start a new one if you want. I don't care. Read a chapter of your Kindle, and you are going to click on the Flipgrid, and you are going to watch my video. Here it is, and then you're going to respond, right? And my video is basically saying, tell me about your book, tell me about your characters and where your story's taking place and the problem and all that stuff, right? That's reading. And then the last thing for today is going to be science right here. Okay. So I have two Ed puzzles. You already did the one that introduced minerals. What are they? Minerals, what are they? Now let me show you though. On the first one, take a look. Let me show you all the people who've gotten it done. Okay? So if you're not on this list, you better watch the video and answer the questions, and it's pretty easy. All right? So, I have folks on here. Now, not Mrs. Penn's kids. All right, Mrs. Penn's kids, you don't have to worry about this because I'm teaching them science, but Joey, you need to do it. All right, Kira, you need to do it. There's some folks down here like Adriana and Maddie and Caitlin and Isabella. You guys all got it done. All right, that's from the other day. Here's the one I want you to do today. It's a brain pop video. There's 6 questions on it right here. You'll click that. It's in science. Again, 3 of you turned this in. I don't even know how. I hit it. These 3 people, Chandler Carter, Jack Fee, Isabella, you guys, I don't know. You gotta unsubmit. I don't know. Just unsubmit those. So here it is right here. The lesson review. I'm going to actually right now, I'm going to delete those 3 people, and I'll do that for you right now. Watch. I'm doing you a favor because you got to get the video done first, right? So let's do this. This is for today, Friday. I'll just do individuals. There's only 3 of you, so I'll delete those real quick. Boom. Okay. Why did I cancel? Let's see. Who is this person? I can never find. Oh, it's Chandler. Yeah. So I'll delete Chandler's. Yes. Chandler, now you can redo it. Reese, I'll delete yours. Yes. Now you can redo it. Isabella, how'd we do? I'll let yours stay because I gotta grade those. I'll grade those. Okay. And then Caitlin, I'll leave. I'll just delete both these. And I'll delete yours too, Isabella. That way, listen, you guys can go back in. You can go back in and redo that after you watch the Ed puzzle, okay? Watch that video again. All right, so now I'm going to just X out of this. All right, so I need you guys you're going to watch this Ed puzzle video right here, and you're going to answer the questions. Now, for the science, let me go back to it. For the science, I threw in the the chapter right here if you want to read it. But so the other day you watched this Ed puzzle. Now you're going to watch this one here. Okay. And then when you're done answering the questions in here, it's the same questions. So, but you get the information from the video, then you'll turn it in here. And remember, only a few people have done this second one, the brain pop one. So let me take a look at this really quick. And I'll show you who did it. The brain pop one, only a couple of people. All right. And they didn't do too bad. These guys did pretty good, actually. All right. All right. So pull this up real quick. Actually, I'll get over to this. So that's it for today. Now, let me talk to you guys. You guys have 3 things that are very important that need to get done. Okay. You need to get your language fundamentals, the 3 things that are on that sheet done, your language, sentences 5, 6, and 7. You need to get the 3 days of your DLR done. Okay. Days 1, 2, and 3. And you need to get your 3 days of spelling done. Those are important things to grade. Now, there's one other thing. Many of you did not do this writing that I assigned yesterday. So let me show you. This one right here. I don't know what's going on, but you guys did not get this done. And I'm a little bummed. I'm a little disappointed. Let me actually delete this. I wanted you to come up with 3 story ideas, right? And so, just by the way, for some reason, my thing stayed in there. If it's there, just delete it. You're going to write your most memorable part. And a lot of you did it. I mean, the ones that did do it. All right. Okay. So I need this to get done, right? And that's under writing. All right. I'm not going to assign another writing. I was going to do another reading and writing, but what's the point? So today you need to get your DLR, spelling, and language done. Those are easy. And then you need to go back in and get that graphic organizer done for your writing. You watch my video on my story, then you're going to come up with 3 story ideas and submit it. I will have a list of kids and what they need to get done. And I'm going to make sure that you guys get that. So you can go ahead when you're done with those 3 things, your language up here, your spelling, and your DLR, you can submit these today, but only once the 3 things are in it. Okay, and then I will grade those. So, and then I'm going to grade your 2 science ed puzzles. So Friday is going to be kind of I did assign some new things, but today is going to be kind of a catch up day. All right. All right. And we'll get this. We'll get it. And then try to have a good weekend. But if you didn't get all your stuff done, now if you do, I have a I will do a tech day the day we go back. If we go back January 5th, the day we go back to school, I will do a tech day. If everyone participates and gets their work done. So, all right, guys, Tadero out.